Let us understand how friction can be reduced. Although friction is useful in many ways, it causes wear and tear of an object which is not desirable as it reduces its life. So it is desirable to minimize it in certain applications. Let us see one by one. First one, by lubricating. We already know that smooth surfaces offer less friction. Moving parts of machines are therefore made very smooth. For this, the moving parts are covered with oil or grease. By the use of a suitable lubricant like oil or grease, friction can be reduced. When a lubricant is applied between the moving parts of a machine, a thin layer is formed there. The lubricants fill up the irregularities of the surfaces, making them smoother. Interlocking of irregularities is avoided to a great extent and movement becomes smoother. Second, by using fine powders. Talcum powder is used as a lubricant. When we sprinkle powder on a carom board, the depressions on the surface of the board and the coins of carom get filled with the powder. This makes the surface smoother and reduces friction between the board, the striker and the coins of the carom. Third, by polishing. The surfaces are highly polished to eliminate the irregularities. This makes the surfaces smooth and reduces friction to a great extent. Fourth, by using ball bearings. Ball bearings are used in machines to reduce friction. These are tiny steel balls often placed between moving parts of machines. It converts sliding friction into rolling friction. For example, when the axle of a machine fitted with ball bearings rotates, the metal balls also roll and hence the friction is reduced. Ball bearings are used in free wheels of bicycles, the axle of cars, the shafts of motors and many other machines to reduce friction. Fifth, by using rollers and wheels. Use of wheels between surfaces moving over each other reduces friction. We know that rolling friction is very less than the sliding friction between the two surfaces in contact. Due to this reason, many heavy objects such as suitcases, traveling bags are provided with small wheels called rollers. The rollers reduce friction and help in moving heavy objects easily from one place to another.